quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Infrared saunas are wellness products, not medical devices. If you have a medical condition, are taking medication, are pregnant, or have any health concerns, please talk to your doctor before using an infrared sauna or starting any new wellness routine. Now let us get into it. If you've been thinking about getting a home infrared sauna but kept putting it off because you assumed you would need to hire an electrician, upgrade your electrical panel, or run new wiring through your walls, this video is going to change that. Most home infrared saunas in the 1 to 2 person category run on a completely standard household outlet, the same type you use for a refrigerator or a floor lamp, with no special wiring, no permits, and no 240 volt circuit required. We are going to break down exactly how that works, what you need to check before you buy, and walk through 3 specific models so you can figure out which one fits your space. Let me explain why people assume they need an electrician, because the confusion makes total sense. A traditional Finnish or steam sauna uses a large heater that draws between 4,000 and 9,000 watts of power. To run that safely, you need a 240 volt dedicated circuit, the same kind your dryer or oven runs on. That is a real electrical project that can cost several $100s before you ever sit in the sauna. Infrared saunas work completely differently. Instead of heating the air around you to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, infrared carbon heating panels warm your body directly through radiant heat. The technical term for this is conversion, and because the heat goes directly into your body rather than the air, the whole process works at much lower wattages. A 1 to 2 person infrared sauna typically draws somewhere between 1,200 and 1,700 watts total. That is well within what a standard household circuit handles every day without any issue. So these saunas are exactly what they sound like. You unbox it, assemble the panels, plug it into an existing outlet, and use it. No permits, no special wiring, no panel upgrades needed. Now here is the one detail that actually matters before you buy, and it is something most people do not know going in. The outlet where your sauna will live cannot be GFCI protected. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. These are the outlets with the small test and reset buttons on the face. You see them in bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and outdoor spaces. They are designed to trip when they detect a current imbalance, which is a great safety feature in wet environments. The problem is that infrared sauna power supplies draw current in a pattern that can trigger GFCI protection. When that happens, the sauna either loses power mid-session or fails to start at all. This is not a defect in the sauna. It is just an incompatibility. Dynamic Sauna documents this directly in their owner's manuals. The good news is that a standard bedroom, basement, or living room outlet is almost never GFCI protected. If you are planning to put the sauna in one of those spaces, you are almost certainly fine. If the space you have in mind has reset buttons on the outlet, bathroom, garage, finished basement near a water source, either find a different outlet location or have an electrician add a straightforward standard 15 amp circuit. That is a quick, inexpensive job, nothing close to the full 240 volt installation a traditional sauna requires. That is the only electrical check. Everything else is genuinely plug and play. Before we get into the 3 specific models, here is what to actually look at when you are comparing infrared saunas at this price point. First, heater type and panel count. Carbon panel heaters distribute heat more evenly than older ceramic rod heaters and operate at lower surface temperatures. More panels means more even coverage across your back, sides, and legs rather than one concentrated hotspot. Second, wood. The interior wood absorbs sweat, heat, and moisture over hundreds of sessions. You want kiln-dried, untreated wood that does not off-gas chemicals when it heats up. All 3 models we are covering today use natural reforested Canadian Hemlock, which is the standard for home saunas in this price range. Third, EMF. Every electrical appliance produces some electromagnetic field. For a sauna, you sit inside for 20 to 45 minutes at a time. Knowing the number matters. The 3 dynamic models in this video are verified low EMF saunas at 5 to 10 milligauss, measured at 2 to 3 inches from the heater panel. That is the distance where your body actually sits during a session. For context, a hairdryer at close range can measure 60 to 20,000 milligauss. Dynamic also makes elite models rated even lower at 3 to 5 milligauss. for buyers who want that extra step down. Fourth, temperature range. These models run ideally between 118 and 132 degrees Fahrenheit, with a maximum of 140. Traditional saunas run at 170 to 200 degrees. The lower temperature makes sessions more comfortable and easier to breathe in, especially if you are new to sauna use. The first model is the Dynamic Gracia. This is the one I would point most solo buyers toward. It has a full 7-panel carbon heater configuration packed into the most space-efficient footprint of the 3 models. Exterior dimensions are 39 inches wide, 36 inches deep, and 75 inches tall. Interior is 35 by 32 by 68 inches. It weighs 255 pounds assembled and ships in 2 boxes. 7 panels in a compact 1 to 2 person cabin means consistent heat coverage on all sides, not just the rear wall. The 75-inch height gives most people room to sit fully upright without feeling confined. If you have a spare bedroom corner, a basement space, or a section of a home gym and you want maximum coverage in the smallest exterior footprint, this is the model for that. The Dynamic Barcelona is the most compact of the 3 and is specifically designed as an ideal one-person sauna. Same exterior width and depth, but it stands 2 inches shorter at 73 inches, has 1 fewer panel with 6 total, and ships in a single box. That single box delivery is a real advantage if you are in an apartment building with a narrow elevator and upper floor, or you just want delivery to be as simple as possible. At 250 pounds, it is also the lightest of the 3. If you are a committed solo user and the delivery logistics or the slightly lower profile matters for your space, the Barcelona is the right call. The Dynamic Santiago is the only true 2-person model in this lineup, and the difference is immediately obvious when you look at it. The exterior is 46 inches wide and 40 inches deep, giving you a 42-inch interior width with plenty of room for 2 adults to sit side by side. It still has 7 panels and the same 75-inch height as the Gracia. It is the most expensive of the 3, but if 2 people are going to use this together regularly, it is the only model in this price range genuinely designed for that. Solo users who simply want the most interior space available will also appreciate the extra room. If you have the space for it and the budget, the Santiago is the model I would choose. So here is how to think about the decision. If you are a solo user who wants full 7-panel coverage in the smallest exterior footprint, start with the Gracia. If single box delivery or the slightly lower profile matters for your specific space, the Barcelona at the same price makes sense. If 2 people will use this together, or you just want the most room available in this price range, the Santiago is the one. All 3 are available now at Luxury Wellness Store with free shipping to the continental US. Links are in the description below. We also just published a full written guide on this topic on the blog if you want to read through all the specs and the comparison table at your own pace. That link is in the description as well. If you want straightforward breakdowns of home wellness equipment without the hype, subscribe. This channel covers what the specs actually mean, what to check before you buy, and which products are worth it at different price points. No fluff, just useful information. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have a question about any of these models, or if you want me to cover a specific brand or product type in an upcoming video. I read every comment and it helps me figure out what to cover next. Final reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you have any medical concerns, speak with a qualified professional before using an infrared sauna or starting any new wellness routine.